In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Webex in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a small team catch-up or a large-scale presentation, Webex offers a user-friendly platform that makes scheduling meetings a breeze. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open and ready to go, head to the search bar and type in Webex. This will bring up a list of search results, and usually the official Webex website will appear right at the top. Click on that first link to be taken directly to their landing page. Now that you're on the Webex site, it's time to log into your account. If you already have a Webex account, simply enter your login details, which would typically be your email address and password. In case you haven't set one up yet, don't worry. You can easily create a free account by following the prompts on their site, but for today, we're assuming you have your credentials ready. Next, once you're logged in, you'll find the option to schedule a meeting. This is usually visible right on the homepage. Sometimes it's tucked away within the meetings section, so you might need to click through to that part of the site. Once you spot the drop-down arrow next to Schedule a Meeting, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a form where you'll enter your meeting details. Here's where the magic happens. In the form that appears, you'll start by filling out the basic information. Provide a descriptive meeting topic that will let your attendees know what to expect. After that, you need to set the date and time for your meeting. Make sure this works for all participants by considering time zones if necessary. You'll also choose the duration, so don't forget to think about how much time you'll realistically need. Moving on, it's time to invite your colleagues or guests. Simply enter the email addresses of each person you want to invite to your meeting. This step ensures that everyone gets notified and has access to join your Webex meeting at the scheduled time. After you've filled in all the details and added the emails of your attendees, just hit the Schedule button. This finalizes your meeting arrangement. Webex will take care of sending out invitations to all participants, including the meeting link and details they'll need to join. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a meeting in Webex. Remember, proper planning and clear communication are keys to a successful meeting experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this session was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay connected.